Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a dark brown linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hop in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 31,195 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.